Welcome back, BMW fans. We're sitting in the 2025 BMW i4, and I wanted to quickly show you how to use the Backup Assistant and the automatic parking. Let's put the car in drive. We're going to pull away. Now, the Backup Assistant, what it's used for, it's meant to reverse for up to 50 meters, and it mimics your exact steering. So the purpose of this is if you ever enter a situation where it's just hard to back up, like underground parking, and you make a turn and it's a dead end, instead of trying to reverse by doing like a 50-point turn, all we have to do is put the car in reverse. And you're going to see here that there is a Backup Assistant button. You're going to click the Backup Assistant button. And if you notice, the steering wheel started moving automatically. How to use this function? You're going to let go of the brake, and you're going to also control the gas pedal. But the steering is 100% automatically controlled. You're also going to see here the amount of space that you have left to maneuver. So there's about 30 meters left. Now I'm on the brake, slowly moving because my steering is in the front. So you don't want to be moving too fast. If you do move too fast, the car will tell you that you're moving too fast and you should slow down. I'm going really fast here. And it's going to go back into the exact same spot that we were sitting in. Now I'm controlling the brake, which means that if I go further, I will hit that object. But I've reached the end. I've got my parking sensors telling me that there's an object behind me. And that's it. You simply put the car in park, and you can go on your way. Now let's show you the self-parking. To activate the self-parking, we need to click this P button first. When the green light is on, the car is going to be reading the available parking spots. So if we want to park on the right side, we want to stay close to the right side. If you want to park on the left side, then we're going to stay close to the left side. What we need to do is pass the actual parking spot. So right here, I want to park on the right there, so I anticipate where I want to park. I'm going to drive by the parking space, and then the car will tell me that I found a parking spot. You're going to click this P here. You're going to take your hands off the steering wheel and release the brake to start. Everything is automatic here, the steering, the braking, the gas. If the car behind you is not moving, don't worry, your car will not hit. Believe me, I've done this thousands of times. But if that object, or I should say if that car or person is moving at the same time as your car might not have enough time to stop. So it's your responsibility to observe your surroundings and take control if necessary. So I'm always hovering the brake just in case, but I can confidently say that this car will park, perfect spot, every single time. Awesome. Love it. So you know, it doesn't read the actual lines on the ground, it's reading the space in between us. So you can park while it's snowing, you can park with no lines on the ground, and the car will also show you how far your doors will open so you don't hit the car beside you or the object. That was pretty neat. The car already went to park, so you see here park. Just turn off the engine and get out. So that was a quick video on the self-parking and Backup Assistant on the 2025 BMW i4. If you like this video and you want to see more cool BMW tips and tricks, make sure that you're following us and you hit that bell notification. Until next time, this was Andre from BMW Blog.